This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. This open floor plan home with upgrades. This home is located in 55+ community of Eustis Country Club Manor. This home features a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home. The living room features an open floor plan into the kitchen, dining room, and Florida room. The master bedroom features a huge walk-in closet for your clothing needs with double doors. The Florida room is air-conditioned and right off the living room for your entertaining needs. The shed outside has the washer and dryer and all your storage needs. This home is being sold with a co-op share, which is valued at $30,000 that is included in the sale. It offers a lot of amenities for $185 per month, which includes a community pool, shuffleboard, recreational facilities, sewer, trash, water, and a private boat ramp. The community features a beautiful clubhouse which features a variety of activities which include bingo, special occasion events for holidays, bridge, potluck dinners, and a ton of other activities. Home is being sold furnished. For more information, review the details below.